Hi Drew, good day. I just want to let you see where I am at right now. Okay, it's the first time I've been here in this place, and I just wanted to see the beauty and the scenery of the place. Okay, for a while, I'm just passing by on the bridge, and the water is so clear, it's so clean, and the place is so relaxing. Before coming here, we just ride a boat just like this to reach this place because the mainland is there. There you have it, you can see it. The mainland is there. And this is the cottages. The cottages is in the ocean. Try to see it. Look at it. It's so nice and it's so good. And look at the bridge. It's quite challenging, but yet it's okay. One person can pass by on this kind of bridge. You can also ride a kayak. That's what they call kayak. And two person can ride that. Look, there's 3 small islands. Not 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 islands here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 islands over there. And that's it. That's the beauty of the nature that I want you to see where I am right now. Have a good day.